Imagine two people earning the same salary. 10 years later, one is wealthy, while the other still struggles. What made the difference? Most people believe saving more money will make them rich. Saving is important, but by itself, it rarely creates real wealth. Why? Because inflation quietly makes everything more expensive. If your money doesn't grow, its purchasing power slowly disappears. So if saving isn't enough, what actually builds wealth? The answer comes down to 3 simple rules anyone can follow. Rule number 1: spend less than you earn. If every paycheck is spent, there is nothing left to build your future. Even saving just 10 or 20% every month creates the foundation for long-term wealth. Consistency matters far more than perfection. Rule number 2: don't let your savings sit idle. Money only grows when it starts working for you. Investing gives every saved dollar the opportunity to grow. Over time, your money can begin earning even more money. Think of every dollar as an employee. A dollar in savings rests. A dollar invested works for you every single day. Rule number 3: be patient. Wealth isn't built in months. It grows slowly through the power of time. This is called compounding. Your investment earns returns, and those returns begin earning returns too. At first, growth feels slow. But after many years, compounding begins to accelerate, creating much larger gains. Imagine investing $500 every month instead of only saving it. Over decades, the difference can become life-changing. The biggest gains usually happen in the later years. That's when your money has had enough time to multiply itself. Remember the 3 rules: spend less, invest consistently, and stay patient. Follow them, and your money can work harder than you ever could. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for simple lessons on investing, personal finance, and building long-term wealth. I'll see you in the next video.